Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Collect acorns in late fall after caps fall and discard any with insect holes, mold, or soft spots. Choose firm, unblemished nuts. Perform a float test in a bucket of water and discard floating acorns because they are likely rancid. Remove caps and then crack shells with a hammer or nutcracker, working over a bowl to catch the nut meats. Wear gloves if desired to avoid staining and irritation while you separate the brown skins and shell fragments from the kernels. Remove the inner skins if possible and choose a leaching method. Cold water leaching softens tannins over 3 to 5 days while changing water twice daily until kernels taste mild. For speed, use hot leaching. Boil acorns for 15 minutes, drain, then repeat boiling and rinsing until bitterness disappears. This may take several cycles. Maintain about a 1:5 acorn to water ratio so water stays clear of concentrated tannins, and always taste a small piece before stopping to ensure the acorns are no longer astringent. After leaching, dry acorns thoroughly by spreading them in a single layer and roasting at 350 degrees F for 20 to 30 minutes, or using a dehydrator at 120 degrees F until fully dry to touch. Grind dried kernels into meal or fine flour, and use acorn flour as 1/4 to 1/3 of a recipe for breads, pancakes, or porridge to retain structure and flavor. Store finished acorn flour or roasted nuts in airtight.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.